Finally, we reach the Planck scale, 1 trillion times smaller than a proton. The Planck scale is the fundamental limit where our current laws of physics break down. Here, we only have theoretical notions of what the universe looks like. Quantum mechanics predicts that space-time is not smooth at this scale, but has a bubbly nature referred to as quantum foam.